Hi guys, if you want to get rich in the crypto world, I will advise you to get DAO Maker. Alright, so this application has made work simple for me. Like, this is where you get the best airdrops, not like the typical airdrops, but these are coins that are going to be launched very soon, and you can participate in it. So this is like an ICO, where like an initial coin offering, where you can invest in these coins. You can study them, invest, and guess what, guys? These are the results so far. So for most of you who know Kabi Arena, Snook, Game Fee. Okay, like for Game Fee, I knew when I heard about Game Fee, and now I can see that it's about 95 times high. There's this other one I knew very well. Okay, broccoli. I have some broccoli right here, and look at it, guys. It's 12 times higher. These are completed sales. These are the sales DAO Maker did. So this is a place where you can easily come and buy coins that are just coming up, coins that have potential. So it's not everything you can invest. You just have to do your own research, and you can see we have one up coming already. We have about 20 hours for this one to be done. It's called 3 Kingdom Coins, and see that have been raised about $195,000 for this particular 3 Kingdom Coins. You can click on search and participate. I'm going to click on that first, but first of all, let me introduce DAO Maker. So DAO Maker is a website where you guys can invest. So it's like an investment company that tells you, okay, invest in this project, invest in that project, invest in this, and you can make some cool cash out of it. This DAO Maker is just awesome. And also DAO Makers already have their own application, their own coin, and it's about almost $3 at the moment. That's DAO Maker for you. It's built on the Ethereum blockchain, and it has a white paper and all of that. You can check the chart and all of that and see what DAO Maker is all about. You can also buy DAO Maker on OKEX. It's available on KuCoin and Gates.io. I'm going to put the link to OKEX, KuCoin and Gates.io, especially KuCoin and Gates.io. These are places you can get almost every coin. So if you're not used to using Uniswap or PancakeSwap, this is place you can get most of these coins from. So I'm going to be talking about Gates.io and Swap in other videos, but most of these coins we're buying, especially these NFT utility tokens, which are going to be very huge. Most of the coins here you see are NFT utility tokens. That means those coins that has to do with game coins, like play to earn kind of coins, just like Axie Infinity, Mana, stuff like that. Those coins are called NFT utility tokens. So you can get those coins simply and easily from Gates.io and from KuCoin. So I'm going to put the link in the description below. All right, so back to DAO Maker. So I've just introduced what DAO Maker is. So, but first of all, what you just need to do is to follow the link of DAO Maker and the link in the description, and I just have to click on Connect Wallet. You can connect wallet to your MetaMask wallet. I love to use MetaMask. You can get your MetaMask, you can get the app, you can connect MetaMask extension. Wallet is also connected, or you can easily use register. You can register with your email. Then when you sign in, you get an account like this. So right now, guys, let's go back. I'm going to talk about stake and buy DYOR. You can just easily buy your DYOR from using your MetaMask when you connect it, and also stake. But maybe that one's going to be in another video. I don't want to make my videos long, so I just want to go straight to the point. So now, this is like a review of DYOR Maker. So right now, I'm just going to click on search and participate on that Kingdom coin that is new, that's coming up next. So they want us to search and participate. So first of all, we need to search and see if this coin is something we love. So one thing, guys, I will always advise you is this: when you make a research and you see new words about that research, make sure you check very well. Make your own analysis. So sometimes you see stuff like protocol, you see stuff like yield farming, governance protocol, stuff like that. You are going to be confused. I will advise you to Google search and see what those things really mean. Then you'll be able to understand the functionality of this coin, and you can dive in. So what I'm going to show you guys, the secret of getting good coins or knowing coins that are going to be like the next big thing is knowing the functionality of that coin. Does that coin solve a particular problem? Is that coin being innovative, like coins that has to do with his own blockchain. Coins like that are very, very nice. You can see what Avalanche and Solana is now like a new blockchain. You can see it on options everywhere. If you see options like ARC, BSC, and you see stuff like TRC, you're also going to see Solana and Avalanche right now because these coins are good. So guys, you can see the three kingdom coins. You can join their Telegram, Twitter, blah blah blah, Discord, and all of that. So you can see the ticker, which is, I call the code name, it's TKK, and it's available on BSC, that's the Binance Matching Network. The token supply is a billion token supply. The value of the project right now is about $16 million, which is very, very cheap. And I think most of the coins, like, you can't really get them at $16 million. If you do get them at $16 million, then I mean, you should have made a lot of money. So this video, like, from the title, from the description, and from the title, you can see what I mean by this video. The only way you can get, or one of the best way you can get rich in cryptocurrency, is by being there early, knowing these coins at a very early stage. No matter how little money you pour into it, buying them at a very early stage can make you a lot of money. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm not a financial advisor. I'll never give you financial advice. This video is for educational purpose alone. So what I'm just going to do is to buy a very little amount, but I'm going to buy as many as possible. So right now, I've not done my KYC because after you've registered, you need to connect your wallet and do your KYC to get full potential bounce. So guys, you can see right here it says I need to log in. Oh wow, I think I'm logged in already. So but it says I need to log in, connect my wallet. I've done that. Then complete user identification verification, which is the KYC, and then I need 2,000 DYOR for 5 days to be an early bird participant in the minimum of blah blah blah. So this particular coin, I need about $2,000, and about 2,000 DYOR, which should be dollars. I need about 2,000 DYOR to participate in this. So if I have all that done, I can just click on participate and I can jump into it. So guys, but if you don't want to participate in this, if you think you don't have enough money to go into it, you can actually go to the main page and see projects that are ongoing and search those projects on CoinMarketCap. When you search them on CoinMarketCap, I'm going to give you guys an example. So just have to go back. So you search those coins on CoinMarketCap, and if they're available on CoinMarketCap, you can go through it and see if those coins are available on Gates.io, DAO Maker, KuCoin, whatever. So yeah, Gates.io, DAO Maker, and all of that, and KuCoin, and see if they are available to buy. So that's another logic I use. If you don't want to, if you can't participate because of the ridiculous amount of money, you can just see, for example, you can see Clear Pool, and you can just go to your CoinMarketCap and click on Clear Pool. You can see this completed sales. You can still search on completed sales because I think it's not just on DAO Maker alone. There are other websites like DAO Maker. So that means people are still buying such coin, and therefore it's still going to be increasing. So you can see the completed sales. You can also search some of these. So this is what you need to know. This is DAO Maker. I hope this video you have learned one or two things from this video, and use this video to impact your trading journey. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll be very grateful if you like this video right now, and also if you do subscribe and click on the bell notification button. Thanks for watching, guys.